Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Daisy. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Cricut Mug Press. Also, we're going to decorate and customize the first mugs using the new Cricut Mug Press. And the materials we're going to need for these projects are the Cricut Mug Press and of course the mugs. You may use Cricut brand or sublimation mugs. A Cricut mat, this to place the mug press and the mugs. Infusible transfer paper, this one comes in different colors and designs. Also comes in pages of 12 by 12 and 4.5 by 12 inches. I like the 12 by 12. Heat resistant tape, alcohol and paper towel, this to clean the cups before we place the design. And we're going to start with the process, but before I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And we're going to start with the setup. If you are in Cricut Design Space, I recommend you to sign out and close the program. Open it again, and before signing in, press where it says Product Set Up. Then press Hit Press and Cricut Mug Press. Now, if you're new to Cricut, you need to create an account. But assuming that you already have an account, let's sign in. Now let's follow the instructions on the screen. On step 1 is telling us to place the Cricut Mug Press on a heat-resistant surface. I am using the Cricut mat, and also to place it in a well-ventilated area. Step 2, plug it into a wall outlet. And turn it on. You will see an orange light. On the next step, we're going to connect the USB cable from the machine to the computer. Select the agreement and activate. Now let's go to the Cricut Canva. Let's go to Project and type Mug Design Setup. You may use any of the designs already on Design Space or create your own. I'm going to create my own design. But before, I'm going to select a template with the right measurement. I'm going to pick number 1. That one has 10 sizes to work with. I am selecting the 12 ounces because that's the one I'm working with today. After selecting your size, press Customize. As you can see, it points you where to place the design, so you may center and align. I am using a picture from my website. I have already uploaded to Design Space. Also, if you wish to use any of my ready-to-cut wrap designs, I invite you to visit me on my website. I'm going to leave the link in the video description. Now, since I am designing it from the beginning, I'm going to select this bee and these little hearts and insert. The font that I am using for this particular design is called Sweetie Almira. I'm going to leave the link in the video description. This font is from Creative Fabrica. Now that the design is ready, we're going to select the template only and put it aside. Select the design and weld it. Then grab the template, put it back and align the design. After this, we're going to hide the two back templates, leaving the green rectangle and the design only. Select both and slice. Remove the layers that we don't need. Make sure it measures 8.75 by 379 for a 12-ounce mug and make it. And please don't forget to mirror when you are cutting infusible ink. Next, we need to select the material we are going to cut, in this case, infusible ink. Go to all materials, type infusible ink and select it. If you wish to place it in your favorite, select the star. Before transferring, I like to clean the mug with alcohol and a paper towel. To make it easy to place the design, place a piece of heat-resistant tape on each side. Then on the top and bottom. Now it's ready to go to the Cricut Mug Press. Make sure the light is green, lift up the lever and place the mug inside. Hold it from the handle and adjust it while pressing the lever back down. This process is going to take for about 5 minutes. When the mug is ready, the machine is going to sound an alarm. Lift the lever and carefully take the mug out and place it on a heat-resistant surface, like for example a Cricut mat. Be very careful, it's going to be very hot. Let it cool down before you remove the wrap to reveal the magic. Looks so beautiful. I love my new Cricut press. I can not only use it for infusible ink, but I can use it for sublimation. This mug over here was made with sublimation and I love the colors. Stay tuned that I'm going to be making a tutorial of how to do sublimations on mugs using the new Cricut press. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.